A household device has recently received a lot of attention from both its generally used in home to wash cloths and make the process hassle-free. It is a small device which is to be used in any bucket. Specifications: 230 volts 50 Hz, power, 350 watts, Weightnit, 2.1 kilograms approximate, basic unit, capacity, 2.5 kilograms, dimension, 166 x 150 x 420 millimeters, washing cycle, 5 to 10 minutes, approximate, contents, basic unit bucket clamp, warranty, 12-month min. WELLBERG Handy Wahing Machine is unique innovation in washing of clothes in most tubs of buckets used in homes, as it can be used in any buckets. It saves not only time, it saves energy as it consumes very less power of max 350W and also save natural resources. Viz Water.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.